Hey everybody, hi, it's Becky from PowerToolsWithThread.com. That's my blog. I just got back from the quilt store in Port Lavaca, Texas, and got a couple of things over there and thought I would share them with you. Nothing mends the soul like a trip to the quilt store, right? We're down here in Port O'Connor, Texas, and my husband just got back from fishing, and he's in the shower. He was a little ripe when he got back. It smelled like a flounder. But that's good. They did some good fishing and caught a couple today. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi, tell you about a couple things. On the 15th of September at 11 a.m. Central, I'm going to be doing a dime event. It's Designs and Machine Embroidery. And they are going to do their thing on all over quilting with your embroidery machine. So they have a method to do that, and we're gonna show that and whatnot. I'm really excited. It's going to be pretty cool. It's something I've never seen before. You guys know I've quilted in the embroidery machine before, but not using that method. So I'm real interested to learn any tips and tricks. I'd like to invite you to sign up for that. There's free registration. I'll have the link below the video where you can do that, and I'll put it in the Facebook group too, and also on my blog. But I wanted to tell you guys about that because these dime events are the best prices you will get on dime products. So if you've been thinking about magnetic hoops or pressing pads or anything of theirs that they offer, then that is a really good time to get it. The new stitch ripper that they have comes in handy. That's really the best time to buy those because you're going to get show prices, which are usually the lowest around, and then they always have a code for free shipping. So you never know what's going to pop up. So yeah, I hope you can join me with that. That'll be a lot of fun. September 15th, 11 a.m. Central, and there is a registration link. You register, and then you just pop in and say hi, and you and I can visit in the chat, and that'll be fun. So the store I went to in Port Lavaca, Texas is called Beefore It's a Quilt, and I've known Jean for years and years, and she's just a sweetheart. But she had the cutest little kit put together. This is called Sweet Kitty of Autumn. Look at this. Isn't that adorable? It's just a little wall hanging. It is so cute. She's got it all put together already. I'm going to open it up. I told her, I said, you need to kit some more of these because I'm going to show it on my channel, and I'm sure people will want one. But she's really good at matching fabrics and whatnot. So this is so cute. Oh my goodness. I said, well, I'm going to run home and go put it together. So I'm going to work on this hopefully the rest of today and tomorrow. We're not leaving until Sunday. So let me show you. Isn't that just adorable? Look. So cute. So the fabrics that are in this one, this is the background fabric here. Little light gray dots on a cream. Okay. And then she's got some black with gray dots. You just get the squares enough for what you need. So this is all the fabric that comes in this kit. It was awesome. It wasn't that much. How much did I pay for this? $25 is what it was. Yeah. It's just adorable. It's one of those projects that you can finish in a weekend. So I'm really excited to start playing with it. Get into these. She has just enough. There's some brown. What's that for? That little square of brown. That might be for your pumpkin stems. Is what that is. But this is so cute. Yep. More greens. I think I have these upside down. Solid black for your kitty. Oh, that's cute. It'd be your border. That's the border, maybe. Yeah. There's that plaid. She's so good at picking fabrics. I love that. The very first quilts I ever made, I actually got, they were Villa Rosa Designs quilts, and I had gotten the kits for them at her store. I walked in, she had one hanging on the wall that she had curated all the fabric, and I just loved it, and I was fairly new to quilting, and I was like, would you kit that up for me? Because I can't pick fabric. So there was that, and then she had this pattern. It's from Bean Counter Quilts, and it's called Bouncing Borders. Look at this. So you've got a checkerboard border in here, and then these are 5-inch squares. So that's really cool if you've got a charm pack. It says it uses 8 fat quarters or 6 fat quarters. Large piece center is 8 fat quarters. It's got different sizes on the back. So I have got this fat quarter bundle. This is, let's see, this is called Christmas Adventure, and it's the one that had the campers. I bought this last year, and I thought that would be adorable in this. Won't that be nice? I think that'll look great. Yeah, so I'm gonna play with that too. This is one too, it's great for beginners. There's no bias seams. Get it up there where you can see it. There's no bias seams. And then you do need some yardage. So I've got the background fabric and everything ready for that. I was gonna use this in Peppermint Lane. It was a block of the month, and I was gonna do it this, but I'm not that motivated. So I've had that pattern book for a long time too, but now I've got something to do with that. I had it in mind because I brought it down here with me, but when I bought this pattern, I was like, that's perfect. I love simple, don't you? Makes it go fast. Oh, I need to let you know. Told you that we're doing a cruise January 22nd through the 29th of 2023. Well, it has sold out. So I am so excited to meet all of you and see some of you again, because I know some people are going to go that I have met before. They've asked me to do another one the following week, back to back. So as soon, and you know, I asked Mr. Man and he's like, sounds like fun, let's do it. So as soon as I have the details on that, I will let you know. But I do know that that one's not going to be the Bahamas like this one. It's going to be to the Western Caribbean. So we'll be hitting Cozumel and that kind of thing. So over in that area. So that'll be very nice. Should be a lot of fun. Again, February is a good time to go. Fat Quarter Shop has put out their spooky box for 2022. And I wanted to show it to you. I have one. Now, I can't show you what's in here, but I'll tell you, so what's in here is definitely worth it, I think. Sometimes the boxes can feel like they're not, but this one's definitely worth it, I think. So I will put a link below. Right now, you can register, put a reservation fee, $4.99 reservation fee to get your spooky box. But it's got adorable fabric. How's that? We'll just stop right there, but really cute. And then, because it always has that. It always has that. I'm not telling anything, I don't think. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. I think it's cute. While I was there at the store, I picked up this. This is like a grunge dot. And I got 2 yards of it for background fabric. This is a perfect background fabric for Halloween quilts. I also got this book. It's called Spooktacular Halloween Quilting, a project for every room. I thought this was just so fun. Look, if you have got Halloween fabric and you don't know what to do with it, this is a great little book. It's got 10 projects. Look at that table runner. Isn't that nice? I love that on that black background. That looks good. And then I was flipping through here. Y'all, they have the cutest. These are pillowcases. Aren't they adorable? Look at that. Just adorable. And then there was a quilt in here. Now they do have it's called Fall Fancy. Fall Fancy, let me show you. Isn't that nice? That's beautiful. That'd be good with the, you know, like the Kansas Troubles line. Look, that's what that looks like right there. So they've got a fall quilt in here too, in addition to the Halloween. But I really like this one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely, just lovely. And it's got some applique projects in it too. They have, there's some like paper piecing kind of, it looks like paper piecing. And then that's for this one. Gray cat strut, black cat strut. Is that what's it called? Stray cat strut. Yeah, it looks nice. That's very cool. Kind of modern. I like it. Then they've got a really neat haunted house one. I want to show you. Yeah, here it is. Look at this. Isn't that cool? So the haunted house is applique. with the bat and all that. Very neat. Otherwise, a pretty simple quilt. Those are pretty even blocks. Not a lot of, there's no bias diagonal seams in that. So I was really happy to get this and find it. I just thought it was adorable. Oh, I picked up some Lori Holt Simple Shapes for bake sale. It's called Let's Bake. I got these two. I'm just trying to collect them all because you never know when I'm gonna feel the urge to do one of her quilts and I need the shapes. I'm gonna get started on Sweet Kitty of Autumn here in just a little bit as soon as I get this video edited and out. So yeah, this is just short and sweet. I just wanted to pop in and say hi and show you a little bit of my shopping. Hello, boo-boo. My dog says hi too. Chickens are doing great. Everybody's great. So, all right, you guys, that's it. We'll talk to you soon. Y'all go sew something. Bye.